Hey everybody, how you all doing? So, over the last few weeks, I've been getting a lot of people asking me again, Peter, how do I do more pull-ups? I can only do 2 or 3 or 4, but I want to get up to 10 or 15. How do I develop the strength? And make no mistake, I know exactly how this feels because when I started doing pull-ups about 12 years ago with my body transformation, I was able to do 1. That's it. Okay, and I use this exact same strategies I'm going to show you guys today to build up to sometimes 20, 30. So, let's get going with this. I'm going to show you 3 simple strategies that you can use to break through that strength plateau. But remember this, what we need to achieve is progressive overload. So you need to force your body to become stronger. So these are extremely tough workouts. So you can't do them every day. At least give yourself 24 to 48 hours break between these kind of workouts. So how do I do it? I do normally 3 to 4 sets max to failure of one of the following strategies. Number 1, I will start by doing as many reps as I can of the actual exercise. Okay, so we're going to do normal strict pull-ups, and you want to obviously have proper technique and everything, and you just do as many as you can, every single rep, okay, or every single set. Now, if you can only do 1 or 2 or 3, that's fine. As soon as you can't do anymore, and after the first set, you might not even be able to do a second set of 1 rep, okay? So then you'll start using any one of these 3 strategies. The very first strategy is start doing negatives. Now, negatives just means that you're going to focus on coming down as slowly as possible. So the negative part of that exercise, okay? So contraction, or the positive part of the exercise and pull-ups, is pulling up. Okay, the negative part is just jumping up, holding it, and coming down as slowly as possible with proper form and proper technique. Always try and do it as slowly as possible, okay? When you get to the bottom, you get back up, jump up, and you go down as slowly as possible. Okay, and you do that until you can't do anymore, until failure, okay? Then you rest 2 to 3 minutes, and then you do 3 to 4 more sets like that. The next strategy is using easier and easier versions, what I call bodyweight drop sets, after exercise until you can't do anymore, until failure as well. So you have normal pull-ups. Let's say you can't do any more of those. You can do negatives. If you can't do any more of those, you can start looking at easier variations. I've got neutral grip here, so you just continue with these. Then you can't do any more of those. Then you can start doing chin-ups, okay? And you basically just continue with easier and easier variations until you can't do any more. So that's option 2. And the third option is assistance. So either someone helping you, or what I like to use is a band. Okay, so you just stick that in there. Okay, then you can step on it. And then once you can't do any more, you just use the band, and it makes it a bit easier. Remember, still proper form and proper technique. Okay, and that, guys, is basically the 3 different strategies that you can use to break through your strength plateau. Like I've mentioned, this is very tough type of workouts. It puts a massive strain on your muscle, your central nervous systems, so you must give your body time to recover and become stronger. So let's recap. You're going to do 3 to 4 sets to failure. You start each set with the normal exercise. So a normal pull-up, do as many as you can. And then you drop down and start doing one of these variations. You don't have to do all 3 of them. You can focus on just negatives or just easier variations. Or if you have support like with a band or somebody who can help you, you can do that as well. And that, guys, is basically what I do to break through a strength plateau. And it's always worked for me and my clients. And I'm pretty sure if you use this, you're going to start getting to that 10, 15, 20 rep range, or at very least, start doing your very first pull-up within the next couple of weeks. So there you go, guys. If you like this video, click on the like button. Please share and comment. And as always, have fun out there and keep it simple. Until the next one, bye-bye.